To use IC Market's MT5 platform, follow these steps. Download and install MT5. Visit the IC Markets website and download the MT5 platform for your operating system. Install the software by following the on-screen instructions. Log into MT5. Open MT5 and select File, Log into Trade Account. Enter your IC Markets account credentials. If you're using a demo account, use the demo account login details. Select the correct server, which can be found in your IC Markets account dashboard. Familiarize with the MT5 interface. Market Watch. View live prices for all available instruments. Charting tools. MT5 allows you to create advanced charts, apply various indicators, and use drawing tools. Navigator. Here you can manage accounts, indicators, and expert advisors. Terminal. This panel shows your trade positions, account balance, and order history. Placing trades. To place a trade, click New Order in the toolbar or right-click on the chart. Enter trade details like lot size, stop loss, and take profit. Click Buy or Sell to execute the trade. Managing trades. Use the terminal window to monitor your open positions, close trades, and adjust stop loss or take profit levels.